Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 699, and today's topic is the medicinal importance and health benefit of trypsin enzyme. Trypsin enzyme is obtained from the pancreas of group of animals like buffalo, ox, sheep, ram, that is bovine group. And pancreas is very rich source of trypsin enzyme, and this enzyme is also a type of digestive enzyme and which plays very important in digestion of the peptide, because with the help of pepsin your complex protein molecule is broken down into dipeptide, tripeptide, tetrapeptide, and these peptides, they are so big in size, their molecular size is so big that it is not possible for our stomach to absorb all these particles. So in the duodenum of the stomach, this trypsin enzyme is produced, and it will break down further all those peptides into smaller molecules of amino acids, and those very small molecules of amino acids can be absorbed easily in our stomach. And nowadays trypsin enzyme is having lot of health benefits and medicinal importance. For example, this enzyme is widely used to clean the wound and also ulceration. It is very much helpful in that. And secondly, it is used in infant milk to break down the milk protein, that is casein, because sometimes children or infant babies they cannot digest it easily. So in that circumstances, it is added to the milk powder so that casein milk protein is broken down into simpler molecules. It is also widely used as a probiotic, because some of the people who are sick, like cancer patients or some other who are having ulceration, hyperacidity, and some senior people whose digestive system is very poor, they may not be able to digest the protein molecules. In that circumstances, it is used as a probiotic so that it can act to break down the complex protein, or specifically the dipeptide bonds very easily, so that the food can be easily digested. So all these are very, very important uses in food industry, in pharmaceuticals, as a source of some digestive enzyme, and it is widely sold in supermarkets for the digestive system as a probiotic enzyme. So here I am discussing, actually trypsin is the main enzyme in our duodenum, and the main work of this enzyme is to break down the peptide molecules into simplest one, that is amino acid, so that it can be absorbed by the stomach. So the medicinal importance and health benefits of trypsin benzene. Number one, I have already told all this, but I have just given for recording purpose. Trypsin is obtained from bovine pancreas. Bovine means those animals, they are group of animals like ox, like sheep, like ram, like buffalo, and from all these animals pancreas trypsin enzyme is isolated, and the trypsin is a pancreatic serine. Serine means it is a type of alpha amino acid protease found in digestive system of many vertebrate animals, where it hydrolyzes protein with substrate specificity is based on positively charged lysine and uh, arginine side chains. So actually it is acting on positively lysine, they are all amino acids, and also arginine side chains. Number 2, trypsin enzyme cleaves proteins into small peptide fragments by cutting at basic residues, lysine and arginine. Actually, the trypsin enzyme is also very powerful agent to cleave, to break down the bonds of those side chains of that is lysine and arginine side chains. Or in other words, we can say that it works on protein to turn it into peptides, and again that peptides is again it will act on it, and it is turned into very small molecule of amino acid, and that amino acid is absorbed by the stomach. Number 3, trypsin is secreted into duodenum. Duodenum is the part of stomach where it is produced or secreted, and where it acts to hydrolyze peptides into small building blocks, mainly amino acids. That I have already told you that in duodenum this will hydrolyze the peptide, and that peptide we are getting from the protein by the action of pepsin, and this peptide is further hydrolyzed in the form of amino acid, and that amino acid is absorbed. So these peptides are as a result of the action of pepsin in breaking down of protein into peptide in stomach. These peptides are still too big to be absorbed through the lining of our stomach, and trypsin catalyzes a peptide bond into amino acid. Number 4, preparation of trypsin. Actually, preparation of trypsin is a very simple, just to purify the pancreas, because pancreas is very rich in trypsin, and those pancreas of such animals, those are bovine. It is prepared from animal sources, commonly from the pancreas of oxen. Trypsin is available in high quality, not quantity. High quality pancreases, and can be purified easily from it. Number 5, it is used as a aerosol preparation directly on wounds and for cleaning of ulcers. This is the main role, very important role. This trypsin is very powerful to clean the chronic ulcers, and that also narcotic tissues as well as dust and debris. So it is a very effective cleaner, we can say, in the case of ulcer. So nowadays trypsin is widely used in baby food industries as a pre-digest to break down the complex protein molecules into smaller ones so that infant can digest it. Also it is used to check the blood clotting, and in that microbial form that blood can be used for inflammation. So these are all very, very important medicinal uses. Number 6, trypsin can be used to break down casein. Casein is a type of protein molecule which is present in milk, and this casein is a complex molecule. So once people are taking milk, sometimes they may not digest. So in that milk, trypsin is added so that trypsin can break down the casein protein molecule into smaller one so that they can digest milk easily. in breast milk, and if trypsin is added to the milk powder, the breakdown of the casein will cause the milk to become translucent, and the rate of the reaction is measured by the using amount of time it takes for milk to turn into translucent form. And number 7, trypsin is commonly used in biological research and during proteomics. Actually, in this experiment, we are using mass spectroscopy. So we are using trypsin to prepare the gel, and with that gel, it is very easy in that experiment to do the mass spectral analysis, and that's why trypsin is also widely used in research labs also in that spectroscopy analysis in gel digestion. Trypsin is particularly suitable for this mass spectra. Number 8, trypsin can also be used to dissolve blood clots. So that is also very important role of trypsin, because if suppose the blood clotting is there, once you add the trypsin, blood clot will be dissolved, it will become like a blood. So in that case, it is very effective once you are having some inflammation, some swelling. So at that place, if you apply, immediately the inflammation will be suppressed, clots in its microbial form, and treat inflammation in its pancreatic form. Number 9, trypsin is used in baby food to pre-digest it, and it can break down the protein molecules, which helps the baby to digest it, as its stomach is not strong enough to digest such a big protein molecule. So it is used as a pre-digest in baby foods so that it can break down. Not only that, even there are some very senior citizens who are in the age group of 80, 90, and their total digestive system is failing. There also trypsin is used to make it very, very simple form by breaking down the complex protein, so that very, very senior age people can digest the protein food. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.